Alright, since I'm not here, you're going to have to watch the video and catch up. It's no big deal. Starting with the warm-up. Solving for y. So the first thing you're going to have to do is subtract the 4x from both sides. That gives you negative 6y equals negative 4x plus 18. And then when you divide by 6, negative 6, that's going to give you positive 4 6, which you can reduce to make 2/3 x, and then minus 3. Over here, you're going to simplify. Start off by distributing, so you're going to have 3x plus 2x minus 14 equals negative 2x plus 7. You're going to bring that 2x over to add to the 3 and the 2, so that's going to give you 7x minus 14 equals 7. You're going to bring that 14 over, so it's going to give you 7x equals 21, so that gives you x equals 3. Make sure you double check, put that in the calculator. 3 times 3, up here that is. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 times 3 minus 7, so 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, so you get 9 minus negative 8, or 9 plus negative 8, which is 1. On the right side, you put in 3, so it's negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, negative 6 plus 7 is 1. Yay, we got it right. Now for the important part, the terms, or 3 and 4, finding the 20th and the 72nd term. More than likely, if you did this right and you really tried, some I know you didn't do it, but some of you really did try, what you probably did on number 3 was you sat there and you realized that, hey, every one of these is multiplied by 2. So in your calculator, you went 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16, and then 16 times 2 is 32, and then 32, and so on until you got all the way up to 131,072. And then you looked at the second one and probably saw the 72 and were aghast and declared it couldn't be done. But then some of y'all sat there and realized that that's just going up by 3 each time. So some of you got really smart and you went and tried all kinds of things and got answers like 216 and got answers like 199, both of which are wrong. The answer is 196. Now I'll show you how to do that in the next lesson, or in the lesson that you're going to learn today. The idea was that you would try to get those answers by doing the long way. Well, like any good math class, there's an easy way, and there's a formula. And that's what this is today that we're going to finally get into in just a minute. We're going to talk about the math behind the sequences, okay? And we'll be looking at some notes, but just to get the idea, we're going to learn a way to easily do both of these problems without having to add all those numbers up and to know that we're going to get it right. So it's really easy. There's a simple formula. When you watch the next video and take notes, you'll get to see it.